install XAMPP or WAMP server on your system, then go to start menu, then type XAMPP, then click XAMPP control panel. Here start Apache server and start MySQL server, then close it. Now I am going to explain you PHP variable types. So what is PHP variables? In PHP variables, information is stored of PHP language. Okay. Example. So I am taking an example. Here in this example, $A, $B, $C are the variable names. Okay. We need to remember here PHP variables are started with a $sign. Variables names have to start with a letter or underscore. This is very important part you need to remember. Then variable name can never begin with a number. The next point is variable name only have letters, numbers and underscores. Variable names are case sensitive, that is $small height, $capital height are two unlike variables. Okay. Now you can observe there is no need to inform PHP which data type the variable is. PHP language automatically changes the variable to exact data type based on its value. As in other languages, C, C++, the programmer has to declare the name and type of the variable before using it, but in PHP it is not necessary. So from above points, it is clear that PHP is loosely typed language. Okay. Now I am going to explain you about variable scope. Okay. So variable scope means how the variables are declared in a PHP script. Okay. Scope refers to the part of the program that can watch or use variables. This means in which part the variables can be accessed or not, that is called scope. Okay. So that variables will have a limited range and hence changes within a function does not affect the main program. PHP has three types of variable scopes: local variable, global variable, static variable. Variables declared outside a function has a global scope and can be accessed anywhere in a program. Okay. I am giving an example of global scope variable. This is $A1 equal to 15. This is global scope. Function ABC. Here we have to print within function the $1 within function ABC echo A1 outside function. Then save this, then go to browser. Okay. Here now A1 within function is not showing, A1 outside function is 15. So here I have comment this line, using a within this function will give error, this will print with no error. Okay. So to understand this here, because global variables cannot be accessed within function directly by echo function. Okay, but global variables can be accessed within function using global keyword. Okay, now PHP variables cannot be directly echoed within function. Global variables can be accessed within a function using global keyword. This is the example. Here $a and $b are the global variables. We can access these variables within this function addition by using global keyword. Then we can performing this addition expression here, then returning the value $b. Then I am calling the addition function outside the function. Then it gives the output as $a plus $b, that is 7 plus 17, that is refresh 24. Okay, now next is a variable declared within a function has local scope and can only be accessed inside that function. Okay, this is the function local scope. This is $a equal to 17. This is declared within function, so it can be accessed only within function and cannot be accessed outside the function. Okay, so I am explaining you how this works. Save this and go browser, refresh. This is a within same function is 17. This is undefined variable a in a outside function. Okay, because here this is in local scope, this is calling working fine, and this prints a within same function is $a, that is 17, and when using outside the function, this is echoed. A outside the function is $a. It cannot be accessed and gives an error. Okay, this is error, not displaying any value, and this is displaying fine within function. Next, now I am going to explain about static variable. A static variable is a variable which does not lose its value when the function exists. Okay, variables can be declared as static by inserting the keyword static before variable name. Okay, this is the example. I am going to show how this works. Save this. This is function static variable. Static a. This is $a is static variable, as this is declared as static keyword 17 echo $a. Then $a plus plus static var static var static var. Here if we run this and refresh here, it will give output as 17, 18, 19. By default, in a function, variable exists or variable is vanished once the function is executed. But here, if statically we have declared the variable, if I am not giving static keyword and save, it will print 17, 17, 17. If I am giving here the static keyword, then save this and I am refresh the browser 17, 18, 19, because if I am declaring the variable as static, it is not destroying once the function is executed. It can be reused for the next time when the function is called again. Thank you for watching this video. For more subscribe us.